Hello and welcome. Today we are unboxing a device from a brand that's quite new. Founded in January 2019 as a sub-brand of Vivo, the name IQOO stands for I Quest On and On. Now the first thing you will notice is the substantial size of the box. And unlike many modern flagships, this phone comes with everything you need right out of the box. There's the phone on the top, which we will get to in a moment. Below it, there is the paper and the documentation as usual, and a protective case. We also have a USB A to C type charging cable and crucially a power adapter, a welcome inclusion. The phone is elegantly wrapped, and once you unwrap it, you can appreciate the design. The sides are completely flat, a clean, modern aesthetic that has become a popular choice since the iPhone 12. On the top, you will find two microphones with another one on the bottom, alongside the SIM card slot, the charging port, and the speaker grill. One thoughtful detail is that it comes with a pre-applied screen protector. Now while the phone powers on, let's dive into the specifications. This device is powered by a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor. Now I initially mistook this for the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is found in devices like the S24 Ultra and cost several times more. The inclusion of this chip in a phone at this price point is still truly impressive. The display is a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for the gaming. And to keep up with that performance, it's equipped with a massive 6400 mAh battery. In the front, we have a 32 megapixel punch hole camera for crisp selfies and video calls. Now this comes with Android 15 right out of the box. The display settings are highly customizable, offering a smart switch adaptive refresh rate. The camera system on the back boasts a 50 megapixel main shooter with optical image stabilization, which is capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second. And there is an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. Now the back of the phone has a beautiful matte finish, and this specific color is called Moon Night Titanium. On the side, you will find the power button and the volume rockers. For this price, the phone delivers exceptional value, particularly with its powerful processor, stunning display, and the capable camera system. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing.